Hiring the right QA staff. Hi there, I'm Felicia Liu, and today, I would like to share about an aspect of your food safety program, hiring the right QA staff. As a QA manager, you know that building a strong team is crucial for maintaining safety standards and ensuring the success of your business. Start by collaborating closely with your HR team. Clearly define the skills and qualities you're looking for in a QA. Look for individuals who are not only knowledgeable about GMP, HACCP, and SQF standards but also have a genuine passion for quality and safety. Don't forget to include scenario-based questions in your interviews to assess their problem-solving skills and ability to handle real-life challenges effectively. Remember, a strong QA staff is your frontline defense in ensuring compliance with CFIA and FDA requirements, which are crucial for getting your products into retail markets. If you need guidance on building a top-notch QA team or assistance with your HACCP and SQF certifications, we're here to help. Contact us anytime at 23651324888 to tackle these challenges together and keep your business thriving.